Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. We're going to do another awesome bar video today. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter so that you can feel like you can just throw it into your other workouts as needed, or if you're just getting into bar a little bit, you can see what it's about, and it's going to burn, I promise. So we're going to start actually facing profile, which means you're going to face me, one hand on your chair. If you have a bar available, use it, but you can just use a chair. And we're going to turn out, and then I want you to lift up into the highest heel that you can get into. The toes aren't touching, they're apart, but the heels are touching nice and high, okay? And we're just going to lower the heels, lift, lower, and lift. So you're trying to keep the heels glued together. And I want you to feel a little squeeze all the way up into your buns. I don't want you squeezing them as hard as you can, okay? So I want them nice and relaxed. But you're going to feel this work, right? This line of energy from your heels all the way up. I always end up feeling calf raises all the way up into my hamstrings and my glutes, just because that whole back body is working while we do them. Okay, let's do two more. Lift, lower, lift, and pulse. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Just a little lift, little lift. Don't think of it as a bounce, because I want it controlled, so it's just a little lift. And your hand on the chair or your bar is just nice and relaxed. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower back down. Separate, do the same thing. Lift, lower. So now I'm just in a parallel, neutral position with my feet. And it's amazing how fast these calf raises burn. They always get me. So it's so good to work those calves. Lift, lower. We'll stretch them out in a little bit. 4, 3, and try not to rock. It's just a straight up lift. Last one, little lift, little lift. Pulse, 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 pulse. You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Very good. We're going to turn out again, so you can stay facing profile, facing me. Turn out, lift back up. So we found our calves. We're going to get into our thighs a little bit now. So we're going to inhale down, exhale, lift. You can step your hand a little bit farther forward. I typically do here. Try to keep the heels lifted. That's one of the keys. It does a few things. It makes it a little harder, but it also is going to help protect the knees a little bit in this position. And I want you to feel like you're lowering straight down, straight up. So this isn't a squat. So I'll just show you what it looks like in the side. So I'm not sticking my butt back. I'm just going straight down with my body, like I could slide down a wall. Okay? And exhale. Inhale, exhale. We're going to do 2 more and we're going to stay down there. So stay. Little lift, little lift. So we're going to pulse, 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 pulse. Try not to go up too high. Little, 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 little. 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Now you're going to pulse down, down, down. So it's just a little bit different. You had that neutral spot. We were going up from it. Now we're going down. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Flare your knees. Flare. So they're going to open, open. Keep that tail slightly tucked. Not a big tuck. I just don't want you sticking your booty out behind you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift, lower. Yep, we're going to do it again. So if you need more balance, this part, you can just turn towards your bar or your chair and do it. You do not have to be in profile for this specific piece that we're doing. So if you need more balance and you want both hands on, feel free. So see if you can get a little higher, and then see if you can get a little deeper. And 3, 2, 1. Come down, pulse. Pulse. So if you're shaking, that's good. That's kind of what bar is about. It's working the endurance of the muscles in very small movements, so they'll fatigue faster. And it's just a different type of strength training, different type of training for the muscles. 3, 2, 1. You know what's next. Pulse down, down. So those thighs should be working now. It's okay. Let it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flare the knees. Flare. Both sideways long. Again, think a tuck on the tail here. Go deeper if you can. And 5 more. Exhale every time. 2, 1. Come back up. Lower. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna glue the legs together, and I want you to turn the feet away from your chair, okay? So this is where you'll want to be in profile. So you're going to turn your feet away from the chair, and you're going to sit down slightly, and now take your right foot out in front of you and point the toes and lift. Lift, so it's a straight up lift. And you just have a little bend on the left knee, not a lot, okay? I don't want you way down here. Your knee won't like it, so it's just a little bend. So again, nice and tall. 3, 2, 1, lift and hold it, little lift. So we're working on those pulses here today. Trying to keep your body square to your legs. So don't let your torso twist. Keep your body square. 3, 2, 1, little circle, circle, circle. Maybe get up a little higher with that leg. Keep the left knee bent. And switch your circles, so working quads and now into hip flexors. 3, 2, 1, very nice. Bring the leg down and then turn around. So you can just turn around. I am going to, magic, so easy. I'm just gonna come here so you can see me. So again, turn 45 degrees away from your chair, bend slightly, straighten, lift, and lift. So gentle hand on the bar, everything we've talked about, belly pulls in, and feel that pull right at the top of the leg, lifting. And really try to straighten that leg as much as you can. It's easy for me to kind of let it go like that, because that's much easier for hip flexor. Hip flexor is one of the hardest things for me to work. So if you're feeling it too, I'm right there with you, because it is hard. Okay, lift, hold, little lift, little lift. Check your body, that it's square. You got it. Put on some good music if you need to and just start moving. It helps. I promise. 4, 3, 2, 1, little circle, circle, circle. So just make sure that standing leg isn't locked. A little bent. And switch. 5, 4, straighten a little more. 2, 1, bring it down. Stand up. Nice job. Let's turn towards your chair. I need to move this a little bit. Both hands on, step the right leg back and find a calf stretch here. Nice and long. If you need more, you can come down slightly. And then bring that knee down. Here, we're gonna bring the left hand down and reach over. And then bring both hands down, shift back, hamstring. And then hands on your chair, stand up, and we'll just switch legs. Back. And breathing. And then when you're ready, come down. Knee over ankle, right hand down, and reach over. And then swing that arm down. Maybe slide the heel forward if you need to. Very nice. And then go ahead and stand yourself back up and give yourself a round of applause. So that's just a quick thigh burner that you can do any time of day with a chair, with a counter, with a bar, whatever you have. Kids running around at your feet. I have done this, all the above. Have a good one.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.